If you are over 60 and you feel that heavy, aching sensation in your legs, or if you have noticed your feet are constantly cold even when the weather is warm, then you need to pay very close attention to what I am about to tell you, because your body is sending you a high-priority distress signal that most people ignore until it is too late. Imagine for a moment that your circulatory system is like a network of highways, but over the years, those highways have become congested, narrowed, and in some places, almost completely blocked, leaving your muscles and skin starved for oxygen and vital nutrients. This isn't just about discomfort or a little bit of swelling. It is about the fundamental health of your heart and your longevity. Yet there is a simple, natural, and incredibly potent solution that can begin opening those floodgates in as little as 24 hours. Today, I am going to reveal exactly what you need to drink to increase blood flow in your legs fast, why this specific combination of nutrients works where others fail, and how you can reclaim the mobility and energy you thought were gone forever. The beauty of the human body is its resilience, but as we cross the milestone of 60, our internal chemistry changes, specifically regarding the production of a miracle molecule called nitric oxide. This gas is what tells your blood vessels to relax and dilate. Yet by the time you reach 60, your body produces about 50% less of it than it did in your 20s. This deficiency is the primary reason why you feel that stiffness, why wounds on your feet take longer to heal, and why you might experience cramping during a simple walk. To fix this, we have to look beyond the surface and address the cellular level of your vascular system. The drink we are focusing on today is a powerhouse blend designed to stimulate that nitric oxide production while simultaneously reducing the inflammation that causes vessel walls to thicken and stiffen. We start with the foundational element of this tonic, which is high nitrate vegetable extracts, specifically from beets and leafy greens, which provide the raw materials your body needs to bypass its aging machinery and create better flow. But we don't stop there, because for this to work fast, we have to include compounds that protect these molecules from being destroyed by oxidative stress. As we dive deeper into the science, you need to understand that blood flow in the legs is a gravity-defying feat. Your heart has to pump blood all the way down, and your veins have to work twice as hard to push it back up against the pull of the earth. When you are over 60, the valves in your veins can become weaker, and the arteries can become less elastic, a condition often referred to as peripheral artery disease or general venous insufficiency. This leads to a stagnant pool of blood around the ankles, which causes that characteristic swelling and skin discoloration. By consuming a concentrated liquid dose of nitrates, vitamin C, and specific bioflavonoids, you are essentially giving your veins a chemical tune-up. The liquid format is crucial because it bypasses the slower digestive processes, allowing the nutrients to enter your bloodstream rapidly. Think of it as a liquid bypass for your sluggish circulation. Now, let's talk about the specific ingredients you need to mix. The core is 1 cup of fresh beet juice, but it must be raw to preserve the active enzymes. Beetroot is arguably the most powerful natural vasodilator on the planet. When you drink it, the inorganic nitrates are converted by the bacteria on your tongue, and then in your gut into nitric oxide. This doesn't just happen eventually. It starts happening within 30 to 60 minutes of ingestion. To amplify this effect, we add a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime. The vitamin C acts as a stabilizer, preventing the nitric oxide from breaking down too quickly, ensuring the blood vessels stay open for hours rather than minutes. Furthermore, we must address the stickiness of the blood. As we age, our blood can become more viscous, making it harder to travel through tiny capillaries. This is where the addition of a ½ inch of ginger root or a teaspoon of ginger juice becomes revolutionary. Ginger contains salicylates, which are natural blood thinners that help the magic drink glide through your system with less resistance. You might be wondering if you can just take a pill for this, but the synergy of these whole food liquids provides a complex array of phytonutrients that synthetic supplements simply cannot replicate. However, there are things you must avoid if you want this to work. If you drink this tonic and then sit in a recliner for 6 hours, you are fighting a losing battle. Movement is the pump that moves the fluid. Even gentle ankle pumps or calf raises while you wait for your drink to settle will significantly increase the speed at which these nutrients reach your lower extremities. You should also be aware of your salt intake. Excess sodium causes the body to retain water, which puts external pressure on your blood vessels, making it even harder for the blood to flow through. So, while you are using this drink to open the vessels from the inside, you must reduce the pressure from the outside by staying hydrated with pure water and keeping your salt levels in check. Another critical component to add to your daily routine alongside this drink is the timing. For those over 60, the best time to consume this circulation boosting drink is in the morning on an empty stomach. This ensures maximum absorption and provides the vascular support you need for the day's activities. If you find the taste of beets too earthy, you can cut it with a bit of green apple or pomegranate juice, the latter of which is also incredible for arterial health. Pomegranate juice is rich in polyphenols that have been shown to actually reverse some of the hardening of the arteries over time. It is important to remember that improving circulation is not a one-time event, but a daily commitment to your vascular health. You didn't lose your circulation overnight, and while this drink works fast to provide relief, the long-term benefits come from consistency. You should also pay attention to your footwear and leg positioning. Avoiding tight socks that leave indentations and keeping your legs slightly elevated when resting can assist the work the drink is doing internally. If you have been struggling with leg cramps at night, drinking a smaller portion of this tonic about 2 hours before bed can help prevent that oxygen starvation that leads to painful spasms. We also have to discuss the what not to do aspect very seriously. Many seniors rely too heavily on caffeine or stimulants to get their energy up, but these can actually constrict blood vessels, undoing the hard work of your nutrition. Limit your coffee to 1 or 2 cups early in the day and focus on herbal infusions or this specific circulation juice for the rest of your hydration. If you are on blood thinning medication, it is always wise to consult with your physician before making a radical change to your intake of vitamin K, rich foods or concentrated juices, as we want to ensure everything stays in a healthy balance. The goal here is to empower you to take control of your mobility. When your legs feel light and energized, you are more likely to stay active, and when you stay active, your heart stays strong, creating a beautiful upward spiral of health. This drink is your catalyst. It provides the spark that gets the engine running. As you start to see the swelling go down and the color return to your feet, you will realize that aging doesn't have to mean a loss of freedom or a life of pain. You can choose to nourish your veins and arteries with the specific tools they need to thrive. To recap the most essential points we have covered, increasing blood flow in your legs after 60 requires a targeted approach that focuses on boosting nitric oxide through nitrate, rich juices like beetroot, stabilizing those molecules with vitamin C from citrus, and thinning the blood naturally with ginger. By drinking this potent mixture daily and maintaining light movement, you can rapidly decrease discomfort and significantly improve your vascular health and overall quality of life. If you found this information valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let me know in the comments what topic you want to see next.